guys, what's up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to see you here today. Make sure to subscribe down below if you love videos about makeup. I post every Tuesday and Friday. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here on my channel, then welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again. Make sure to hit that bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. So if you couldn't tell by the title, we're diving into this month's BoxyCharm. I literally just got it on my doorstep earlier today, and then I immediately went to my Instagram stories to unbox it, so I already know what's in there. And guys, this might be one of their best boxes yet. I know I said that in June, but I'm serious. So we got this good big ol' heavy box, and you know what they say, when things are heavy, that means they're expensive, and that means they have good quality stuff. So we are going to open her up. Whee! This month's theme is BTS, not the K-pop boy band, but behind the scenes with BoxyCharm. I guess I'll be taking you behind the scenes of how I'm applying these products. I'm also going to read the back of this card, which has all the product names, specific details, and also prices. So without further ado, let's get out our first product. First, we have a product from Glam Glow. It's still in the packaging, but this is their Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. Let me switch hands here so I can read. Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, my bad. While natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils, not the MLM ones. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. This retails for $60 USD. It seems expensive, but Glam Glow's masks are actually really good. There was one that was really popular, I think in 2018 or 2019. Pretty sure 2019, because that's when I kind of really got into makeup. But it was a purple foaming mask, and I think that one was $50. And it lasted me a while, especially because I didn't use it every single day. And a little will go a long way. But let's take her out of the packaging and see what she's all about. Hello, sexy.
Hello, lettuce.
I'm not saying that to the box. It's telling me that. Thanks. I guess I needed the compliment today. The size always surprises me. This little thing is 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Because I'm going to do my makeup first, I'm going to probably use this last right before I go to bed. But that doesn't mean that we can't check it out right now. Okay, comes pre-sealed, great. We love staying sanitary in a global pandemic. Oh, it has like a, I don't even know what to describe that smell. I'm so bad at describing smells. So this looks like your standard mud mask. It just smells like I'm about to get a massage, or I'm like at a really fancy store. You know, I'm looking forward to putting this on my face tonight, that's for sure. Next, we have the only brand that I haven't heard of in this box. This is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long-wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid. I love that in this house. Ensuring silky, smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. A nourishing blend of marula oil and vitamins A, E, F, and B locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas, and this retails for $32. Great! I just cleaned my face, so why not go ahead and put it on? I am going to be doing my makeup first after all. See, good for sanitation. Love that. All right, let me put some on my finger. Ooh, okay. It's pretty runny. It has like a pretty gel-like texture. Okay, yeah. This is definitely hydrating. It feels like a moisturizer, honestly. Doesn't have a strong smell, which can be good, especially if you are someone that is sensitive to strong smells. Obviously, we're gonna have to see how it wears with foundation, but so far, I mean, it's telling me that it's hydrating, and I can tell for sure. Let's move on. Next up, we have a product from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. These are the multi-use makeup base sticks. A cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. And this retails for $20. I opened these up on my stories, but I didn't get to swatch them, so we are going to do that right meow. Ooh, hold on. Enter code MYSTERY for a chance to win a mystery gift on your next purchase at pinkyrosecosmetics.com. Check that out, y'all. So hold on, because I want to take a moment to appreciate the packaging. Music, we love that. As a music teacher, I just have to comment on any time there's anything music related in makeup. They're my two favorite things. And they have musical names. So this shade is Jazz. Good shade for fall. Y'all know I love fall. But this also is giving me, it's like a brassiness, so it's giving me like a saxophone vibes, but also it's like brown like a jazz bass, and so it's like, I'm feeling it. And then this shade is called Hip Hop. I'm not sure if you can see this shade very well because it is basically my skin tone, but it's very similar to the Molly Beauty one that I got. Remember I got that in a last BoxyCharm, I think it was back in May. It was very good, but I think in the move it has been misplaced, which is sad. Big rip. But I'm very excited to use those. I think I can create an eye look very easily with those, and I wonder if they have other shades. I'll have to look on their website. This is probably the most unique product I've received in a BoxyCharm box that I'm excited to get, but this is a product from insert name here. They're a like hair wig company, and this is the Quick Slick Hair Essence. Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. You know I love scents. And this retails for $22. So my hair likes to go everywhere. It has like it's very fine, but I have a lot of it. Like whenever I go get my hair done, the hairdresser is always like, oh, you have so much hair. And I'm like, I know. It takes me like 3 to 4 hours to get my highlights done. But if this works, I could definitely see myself using this like all the time, especially if I want to go for like a sleek hair look, or even if I just want to make sure that like my bangs are in the right place. You can't see them right now because they're pulled back, but you will later. And here it is. It's pretty small, so it can fit in your purse for those on-the-go moments. Let's actually see if it's scented like peaches. It's chemical peaches, but it's peaches. We will definitely be checking this out a little bit later when I do my final look. And last but not least, we have a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Now I tried the Huda Beauty Bullet Lipstick formula and I do like that. I need to use it a little more often. Now that it's fall, I can't. But I have yet to try this. This is in the shade Day Slayer. Slay all day. This looks pretty light, which to be fair, I am pretty fair. Why do I always have to smell things? But let's look at it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's darker than I thought. Ooh. Yeah, this paired with a brown lip liner, golden. All right, those are all the products that I got in this month's box. Like I said, so far so good. My primer has settled into my face, as you can see, so now we are going to apply my base. I'm gonna rush through this because I don't wanna make you guys like bored sitting here seeing something that you see literally every single video. And so I'm gonna add some fun Mario Kart music behind it, so enjoy. Okay, looking at my face, it looks pretty dang good with this primer. Like my foundation isn't coming off or anything. Everything is sitting like very nicely. So obviously we'll do a little wear test moment when I go over to my friends in a little bit. Hi Jenna and Gareth. I will be bringing your gifts this time. But anyways, we are going to move on to our shadow sticks. Pew, pew, pew. So I'm thinking something basic. I know, who would have thought? But I want to do Jazz just all over the lid and also a little bit on the lower lash line. And then we're gonna take Hip Hop and put that in my waterline. So you can call me boring, you can call me predictable, whatever, but like...
it's a fall look, okay?
It's a simple fall look. Can I blend this? Let's find out. The answer is no. What if I take some off my brush? Okay, the answer is still no, which is not great, Honestly, not to like totally bash this product that I was like super hype about, maybe I can kind of diffuse it with my finger. I just don't want that harsh line. I like that like blended, you know, look. Okay, yes, we are able to diffuse it with our finger. Wonderful. I love it. I apparently met my move goal, even though I've been sitting here doing my makeup. As kind of sloppy as it is, I'm liking it so far. Now, before you bash me in my comments section, because I've had that happen before. I've literally never used something like this on my eyes before. And I think that my first attempt was pretty darn good. And I'm not a makeup expert. Heck, I'm just a big makeup fan. But I've taught myself enough to know a thing or two, about a thing or two. So let me live. But now we are gonna take Hip Hop and put it in the waterline. Actually wasn't so bad. Wow, I got really good at that. I'm just like slightly going to groom my brows because I wanna pop that same shade Hip Hop onto my lower brow bone. I don't wanna like carve out my brow, but I just wanna, you know, give it a little bit of that oomph. This could be used for so many things, honestly. That's why I really like these shadow sticks. I'm gonna finish my eyes off camera and I will be right back. All right, the eyes are done and I went ahead and lined my lips. So we are gonna get into the lipstick. I forgot what it was called for a second. It has an interesting consistency. I'm not mad about it though. I quite like this. I don't even need a lip gloss. And this is a perfect shade for fall.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on.
All right, let me get cute real quick and then we will continue on with the video. All right, y'all, so here's how I look right now. I will say, I do feel very cute. Although my bangs need to get trimmed, my hair is on day 2 of no wash, and I am currently out of dry shampoo. So I'm kind of struggling with my hair. I don't know if I have any flyaways at the moment, but let's see. Well, can I like swoop my hair into place? Can I swoop you into place? Listen, I'm probably using this all wrong. Okay, wait, I have a... You see that hair right there? I'm gonna swoop it down. Swoop. Let's swoop down these hairs right here. Nope, swoop down. Swoop. Okay. Once again, I'm probably using it wrong somehow, just knowing me and my knowledge of hair products. But this seems to be doing the trick. I just have to know to brush the right way. The only question is if they stay down. Okay, well, I'm gonna take some pictures, finish up my TikTok, and then I'm gonna go binge on some Bachelor in Paradise. So I will see you guys a little bit later.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm caught up on Bachelor in Paradise. Basically, I hate a lot of the men there. Some of the girls are annoying. Jasenia deserves better, and so does Natasha. Now let's get into the makeup. I think my makeup still looks pretty good. To be fair, I did just sit around for a couple hours. I didn't really eat or anything crazy. I did notice that in my crease, the shadow stick came off a little bit. So next time I use it, I'm gonna put on a primer underneath so that it stays on. My skin's looking fairly good. And I'm really liking this Demi matte formula. Like, it looks really nice on my lips. Like, it just doesn't dry down. Well, okay, there's a little bit there. But like, it doesn't, it's not dried down in a way that like makes my lips feel kind of hydrated almost, if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm here for it. Now I'm gonna take all this off and we're gonna try our last product. See you in a second.
5 minutes later.
And we are back. It's 9:41 p.m. so I'm ready to mask up and go to bed. I just double cleansed my face, so I am more than ready for a mask. And we're gonna go in with this bad boy. So apply a thin, even layer to clean dry skin. And we are gonna leave on for up to 10 minutes. Let's do it. I can definitely feel the exfoliating. What did they say? It was pumice stone? That's like what literally people use to like take the dead skin off their feet. Okay, so I just got done masking my entire face. I think it took me maybe like a minute and a half, 2 minutes to complete. You are supposed to leave it on for up to 10 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it on for the full 10 minutes just for time's sake, but I'll definitely leave it on for a little bit. Product will tingle. That means it's working. I'm definitely feeling tingling. Not like a bad tingling, but tingling is there. Well, now I don't know if it's tingling or burning. It's like a sweet burn. I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh, okay. It's starting to get tight around my face, and I don't want to move my face very much because I don't want it to crack. So I guess it's working. Now that my mask is almost finished, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about all the different products I tried for time's sake, because I want to go to bed. For me personally, I enjoyed this primer. Now my skin is pretty normal with an oily T-zone. If you have more oily skin, then you probably won't like this because it is very moisturizing. But for dry skin girls especially, this one is for you. I think these multi-use face sticks are pretty fun. I wonder if maybe I had used Hip Hop as like a base or a primer and then I put this on top, if that would have worked better. I'm definitely down to trying these out again. I really enjoyed the color of this lipstick. I think that it could work with a lot of different looks, and it's so good for fall. You know I love fall. I think I had a bit of a learning curve with this, and because I didn't have my hair set in like a way that like I needed to put down my flyaways like immediately, like I want to do like kind of a slicked back look or a slicked down look and see if this works as well. But it kept my flyaways down from when I had my hair down. I put it up because I just like to put my hair up sometimes. And you're about to hear my thoughts on this mask once I wash it off. BRB. Wow, guys, my skin feels so smooth right now. Glam Glow may be expensive, but their products sure are good. I think it was definitely the pumice rock that helped exfoliate my face. Obviously, I only used it once, so you don't really get to see a lot of the long-lasting effects, but I bet with bi-weekly use, I could actually see a difference in my skin. The only downside was that when I was cleaning it off of my face, there was a lot of little like bits of the rock, and it was kind of hard to get out, and so I really had to like nitty gritty get up in there. But of course, you know, beauty's pain. So overall, as I predicted, this BoxyCharm box was wonderful. They really stepped it up this month, and I am super happy. So BoxyCharm, thank you. Once again, this box was gifted to me. I'm not paid in any way to talk about my thoughts or opinions. I'm just here to talk about my thoughts or opinions. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you are subscribed and also turn on post notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now I'm gonna go to bed because it's late. I'll see you guys later. Bye!